program today to calculate the factorial of a number using recursion. We've already solved this problem using the iterative method. Now let's solve it using recursion. Let's begin. Hash include stdio.h. First I'll write a function called fact, and the passing parameter for this function will be int n. Alright, now I will write the base condition first, which is if n is greater than 1, okay, let's say n is greater than or equal to 1, return 1. Okay, right, this should not be greater, this should be lesser, because we have to check, we have to stop the recursive call when n is less than 1, because for instance if we are calculating the factor of 5, so we will pass 5 is not less than 1, so the base condition will take place when n will become 1, right? Else return n into fact of n minus 1. Let's get into the main function. Int main, int num, printf, enter the number, scanf, percentile d, ampersand, num. Now we will store this in I'll call the function. First I'll make a variable called int answer is equal to, here I will call the function fact and my passing parameter will be num. Okay, then printf the factorial of percentile d is percentile d num comma answer, return 0. Let me save and run the code. Enter a number, enter the number, I will enter 5, and there you go, the factorial of 5 is 120. So when we pass 5 into this function, it will check if it's lesser than 1. If it's not, then it will go to the else condition, where it will return n into fact of n minus 1. So we are calling this fact function again. So I would recommend you to take a pen and paper, do a dry run of the code, use the stack, draw the stack. You can check my other video out about how the recursive call works. That would be really helpful, and I suggest you to do the dry run every time. Do the dry run before coding.